Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2016 Ford F-150 doing a P2005 intake manifold runner control valve. Per Ford, you place the whole intake manifold for this specific code. This one was on back order about a month and a half, so I just got it in a couple days ago. But so we're gonna tell what needs to have done to come off. First of all, the intake bolts are 8 millimeters. There's 3 on each side. The fuel rail itself comes off. There's 4 10s sitting right down there. Disconnect your connectors for the fuel injectors and swing them out of the way. Then you can disconnect your 10, take off the fuel rail. There's a quick disconnect. See that little blue connector right there? Quick disconnect right there. Then that quick disconnect right there pops off, fuel comes out. Be careful, there's going to be a little fuel that's probably going to spill out, so just put a rag under there and move it out of the way. Now this hose right here, which is all of these, which you'll find over here on the driver's side, I just disconnect them from the various locations here so that I could get to the hose specifically in the back without much of a problem. With the intake out, it's easier. Intake in, not so much fun. So I took off my throttle body too. There's a coolant hose that's attached to it. Just swung it out of the way so that way I didn't have to worry about draining any coolant or moving anything like that. There's also various connectors and stuff like that that you'll disconnect and they'll come off and move out of the way as well. For the back, I'm trying a new one. These are the control solenoids for the runners. So you got 2 connectors here, 1 here for the map, 2 for the control solenoids right here. So once you pull the intake closer to the front, you can then gain access to all these and have those disconnected. Once all that is out, you make sure you clean off your intake assembly so that way the new gaskets and stuff sit on there and have a good tight sealing. But other than that, all you need is a couple of 8 millimeter sockets, 10s, a pick, and needle nose pliers, and everything comes off. It's about an hour and a half job. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.